Hello everyone, this is Rahul Jakaria from Sharekhan. Welcome back to exciting 3R Actionable Stock Updates. 3R basically means right sector, right quality and right valuation. These are our investment ideas. Today we have an update on Bharat Electronics. Our analyst maintains buy rating on BEL with a target price of Rs 380. BEL quarter 2 performance outperformed our expectation on margin front. Management has guided a revenue growth of 15% with an operating margin of 23 to 25%. The cumulative order inflows of 26-27 is around Rs 75,000 crore, including a large order for quick reaction surface to air missile. The current order book stands at Rs 74,595 crore, representing 3.6 times FY24 revenues. The stock has outperformed indices and is currently trading at 49 times FY26 and 41 times FY27 EPS. Next we cover Sumitomo Chemicals. This quarter, Sumitomo reported impressive results with revenue hitting Rs 988 crore, which was up 9% year-on-year and 18% Q-on-Q, beating estimates by 5%. The EBITDA reached Rs 245 crore, making a substantial 31% increase from last year and a 52% jump from the previous quarter, exceeding projection by 30%. PAT came in at Rs 67 crore, up 29% year-on-year and 51% quarter-on-quarter. While volume growth was modest, the company strategically focused on profitability, keeping a close eye on purchase and sales price to protect margins. This approach paid off, with gross profit margin improving by 421 bps year-on-year to 42.6%. Key drivers include high margin new products, stabilizing export market, and effective procurement cost control. Considering this, we have revised our target price to 659, wherein currently the stock trades at 49 times FY26 and 40 times FY27 earnings estimate.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.